My name is Ian Kittichai. We are at Cuisine Concepts Kitchen, Bangkok, Thailand. I'm going to make the peanut sauce, or we call satay sauce. Let's start. I have a hot pan, coconut milk, and then we're gonna bring to boil. Well, this satay sauce, the way that we're making this way, because of you kind of like get like the best result out of it. First of all, we use the coconut milk down, so you get the thickened, reduce it by half. Then you add the curry paste, red curry paste in, and then followed by the crushed peanut. So it kind of like really thicken it up. And seasoning with the only two seasoning, palm sugar and fish sauce. So you get spicy, sweet from the coconut milk and palm sugar as well. A lot of flavor from the red curry, and also really nutty flavor, and kind of like really nutty flavor, and then creamy from the dish. And a lot of people, a lot of recipe trying to like, add more thing into it. Basically, it's not necessary at all to add more than this ingredient. So if you follow this step, I'm sure your peanut sauce is going to be like really authentic, and then very classic and really yummy. As you can see, we reduced the coconut milk by half. Next, I'm going to put the heat down to simmering, and then I'm going to add the red curry paste. Next, I'm going to put the roasted crushed peanuts, and then you need to cook the peanut until it's softened. Like part of it is gonna melt into the our peanut sauce. This stage, we're gonna let it simmering. We're gonna add the palm sugar. The coconut milk has the sweet flavor into the coconut milk already. So just be careful when you add palm sugar in. Not too much, just like a little bit at a time. Fish sauce. Actually, it's ready, but we just need peanut to be softened a little bit. And also, if you wish, you can add the peanut butter into the dish as well, into the pan as well, to get it more like really strong flavor of the satay sauce or peanut sauce. And it will be more like nuttier and creamier. And our peanut sauce is ready. And here is the peanut sauce with the condiment of tofu skin, fried tofu skin sheet has been fried, and then fried tofu with the vegetable and peanut sauce.